Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying components and safety. You need a 12V battery, a pure sine inverter sized for your router and modem load, and a compatible charger. Once done, inspect cables and fuse ratings. Make sure fuses match battery and inverter max current. You should test the battery voltage with a multimeter and wear insulated gloves while connecting. This step prevents reverse polarity and short circuits, and it sets a safe baseline before you make electrical connections. You now build the power path. First, mount the inverter near the battery and run short, thick positive and negative leads. Use the correct AWG for expected current to minimize voltage drop. Next, install an inline fuse on the battery positive within 7 inches of the terminal to protect wiring. Once the inverter and charger are bolted and grounded, connect the DC-DC charger per its wiring diagram so it can maintain the battery while on mains. You finish by connecting the router and modem to the inverter AC outlets and powering them up. Once powered, monitor voltage stability and check that the inverter isn't overloaded. Most home routers draw under 20 W, but spikes can occur. Then simulate a mains outage to confirm automatic switching and that the DC-DC charger or UPS logic keeps charging when available. If something goes wrong, recheck fuses, inspect crimps and terminal tightness, measure battery state of charge, and consult inverter fault codes for targeted fixes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.